Hi, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on the 25-foot 2018 Crown. As you can see, it's a gorgeous blue color all the way up and down the sides, fully fiberglass. It has polished tubes underneath, 25-inch tubes. So this model is our dual Helm seat. As you notice here in the back, there's a rear-facing lounger, which is nice because you can sit on the back of the boat while you're going forward with the fence in the back. There's also a fully power button here, which allows you to push the backrest back to allow more space. There's also radio control here as well as phone cord, chargers, USB, 12-volt plug-ins as well. You got a ski tow bar. The engine is the new blue and white Mercury 350 engine. Lots of power. Up top we have the tower, a rear-facing camera for safety. So at the helm we have a 12-inch monitor as well as an additional monitor. Controls all the lighting packages and everything along with that. The sound system is the best sound system that we have. It's a JL audio sound system. You have 8 speakers and 1 subwoofer. As you can see, all the cup holders, there's tons of cup holders on this boat. All of them have blue LED lights around them, as well as LED tower lights here as well. There's also an active trim on this boat, which just helps the boater get up on plane. It trims the engine for you, so you can set it to different profiles, and it will set the boat up for you, so you don't have to trim the engine as you're driving. Underneath all the seats, there are storage containers which have drains at the bottom. That way if something wet goes in there, it will just drain out through the bilge. Very comfortable seating. The in-floor storage is a massive amount of room, over 6 feet in length. And the flooring is an infinity woven flooring. It's really tough on scratches. If you have any dogs, you know this stuff will not scratch at all. It's absolutely gorgeous. So again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out here and see us today.